Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for Clash of Clans. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out in Clash of Clans for a better view of your village and battlefield. So let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans. Before we dive into the steps, let me quickly explain why zooming out is super useful. It gives you a bird's eye view of the entire base so you can plan your defenses and upgrade better. During attacks, it helps you strategize and deploy troops more effectively. So, mastering the zoom out feature is game changer. Now this is the main part. Use your two fingers, place them on the screen and gently pinch your fingers together to zoom out. You will notice the camera moving back. Give you a wider view of your base and battlefield, and make sure your device touch screen is responsive or your emulator settings are configured properly. Sometimes zooming may feel limited depending on the size of your base or current game screen. Keep that in mind. And there you have it, Clashers, a quick and easy guide to zoom out in Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.